Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade level 3 building blocks first lab solution arcade hero building blocks CGS 1. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the arcade trivia week 1 all lab solution that you can access from this playlist. एंड लिंक ऑफ दिस प्लेलिस्ट वुड बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. तो अगर आपने अभी तक जाके कंप्लीट नहीं किया तो जाके कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. एंड इन द लेवल 3 देयर आर ओनली पर्टिकुलर लैब्स दैट यू नीड टू कंप्लीट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द वन आर्केड पॉइंट. तो आपको कुछ पर्टिकुलर लैब ही कंप्लीट करनी है, ओनली दोज लैब विच आर लेबल्ड एज द रिक्वायर्ड. दैट्स वाई अभी तक मैंने इसके सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड नहीं किए थे क्योंकि कुछ लैब में इंटरनल इशूज चल रहा था. अब वो सॉल्व हो चुका है एंड यू नीड टू ओनली सॉल्व द पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायर्ड लैब्स. ओके, सो नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम स्टार्ट द लैब. आई वुड बी प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द लैब सॉल्यूशन, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द स्टार्ट लैब बटन एंड वेट फॉर द क्रेडेंशियल्स. इट वुड बी अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी लैब. ये सिंपल लैब नहीं होने वाली है, थोड़ा सा अलग जाने वाला है जैसे हम रेगुलर करते हैं उससे थोड़ा. सो मेक श्योर यू केयरफुली फॉलो ऑल द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू कॉपी दिस पासवर्ड by clicking on this copy button, then right click upon open Google Cloud console and open it in incognito window only. And email ID will, okay, I guess I didn't open it in the incognito. Yes, make sure you open it in incognito only. You will automatically get the student ID. Simply click on the next button and paste the password. Click on next and click on I understand button and you get logged in into the Google Cloud console. Wait for the dashboard to be loaded. On the dashboard, you will see a pop-up of terms and conditions which you have to accept. So click on the checkbox and click on agree and continue. After that, we have to activate our cloud share or the cloud terminal. But before that, we have to do one other thing. Come back to the lab and copy this third link. Okay, copy it by clicking on this copy button. Again, come back to that incognito window. Click on this plus button to open a new tab and paste that link here and hit enter button. Let it be loading. It would take a little bit time to load, so come back to the dashboard. Now we can activate the cloud shell by clicking on this activate cloud shell button. Wait for it to establish the connection. We can maximize it. Click on continue. Now, while it is establishing the connection, in that time simply come back to the lab and go to the description of the video. In the description you will find the link of this GitHub file. आपको description में जाना है और description में आपको GitHub file का link मिल जाएगा. Okay, you need to access this file and click on this copy raw file button. Click on this button. Come back to the GitHub this terminal, cloud terminal, click on got it, paste the code that we just copied and hit enter button. Click on authorize and wait for it to get executed. Once this command get executed, our lab would be finished. In that time, come back to this page and click on assign to me. Okay, now all you need to do is to wait for this command to get executed. Once it's executed, make sure you will again run this command. Just paste it the code again and hit enter button once again. Yes, now you can come back to the lab. Now in this lab there is no check my progress button. There is a trick, that is there is no check my progress button. So how you will verify whether your lab is completed or not? So for that you need to simply open the level 3 in a new tab. Okay, from the arcade official website, open this level 3 in the new tab or in a separate tab. The lab is right now open. Okay, we just opened the page in new tab. So scroll down here and click on this menu, navigation menu from the left corner and click on the explore button. It will open the catalog. Now come back to the lab, scroll up and copy this lab name. And here in this tab you have to paste that lab name and hit enter button. Then open this lab. And here you will see a yellow patch. You need to click on this and click on check my progress and you will get the 100 out of score, 100 score. Once you get this, you can end the lab. Click on end lab button, click on end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give, click on submit. Now you can come back to the level 3 again and you will see that you get the green tick beside your lab. So it was a little bit tricky thing, but you will see that you get the green tick eventually. It means you have successfully completed this lab. So you can now complete the remaining tabs. No need to worry about it. Simply close it and you are done with this. Your lab is completed. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.